Stephen interrupted the harassment by calling one of the harassers to a different area. Distract and interrupt. Bystanders can interrupt the behavior in a way that stops the harassment. Bystanders can find a way to separate the harasser and the victim. Bystander options. Bystanders have options. Confront the harasser. Document the behavior. Follow up with the victim. Distract or interrupt the situation. Bystanders can help create a harassment-free workplace. How do I file a complaint? At your workplace, employers are required to have an anti-sexual harassment policy and complaint process. Employers must share their policy with employees. People who think they have experienced or have seen sexual harassment should report as soon as possible. Outside of your workplace. Outside of the workplace, victims can file a case against their employer and/or the harasser. Victims can file a complaint with an anti-discrimination agency or a case in New York State Court. To learn more about legal options, review the information on the website. Anti-discrimination agencies. If you are a victim of sexual harassment in New York City, there are 3 agencies that can help you. 1. New York City Commission on Human Rights. 2. New York State Division of Human Rights. And 3. U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. You can file a claim even if you have an arbitration agreement. New York City Commission on Human Rights. Individuals may file with the New York City Commission on Human Rights if the sexual harassment occurred in New York City or impacts the employee's work in New York City, and the sexual harassment occurred within the last 3 years. New York City Commission on Human Rights. To file a complaint with the New York City Commission on Human Rights, call 311 and ask for human rights. Call 212-416-0197 or visit nyc.gov/humanrights. New York State Division of Human Rights. To file a complaint with the New York State Division of Human Rights, visit www.dhr.ny.gov. You must file within 3 years of the sexual harassment. U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. To file a charge with the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, visit www.eeoc.gov. You must file within 300 days of the sexual harassment. If you want to file a complaint in federal court, you need to file with the EEOC first. New York State Court. Individuals may directly file a case in state court. Employees can consult an attorney to understand the options. You must file within 3 years of the sexual harassment. Local protections. Sexual harassment may be a crime if it involves things like physical touching, physical confinement, or pressure to have sex. You can contact your local police department. Remember, you have the right to work in a harassment-free workplace. Together, we can build workplaces that treat everyone with the dignity and respect we deserve. Certificate instructions. Congratulations on completing this training. To get your certificate, please enter your name and select the Submit button. Once you select Submit, you cannot go back or generate a new certificate. Make sure you spell out your name correctly. You can save the certificate on the following slide.